Today's topic for discussion is major viral diseases of plants. Viruses are very minute, acellular, ultra microscopic particles that consist of one or more molecules of either DNA or RNA, but not both. And this nucleic acid DNA or RNA that is enclosed in a coat of protein. And viruses can live and multiply only in the host cells. There are several viruses which causes plant diseases. And they causes different types of plant diseases and they are responsible for heavy losses of the crop. Let us see the different types of diseases which are caused by viruses. Number one, that is tobacco mosaic virus disease. Tobacco mosaic disease. In this case, the chlorosis leading to mosaic appearance of the leaf. Leaf curling and mottling caused by tobacco mosaic virus. Color changes is the main thing. And because of this disease, the loss of tobacco leaf is caused. And it is an economical loss of farmer. Another disease which is of major importance which is caused by virus is rice tungro disease. In this case, the leaves turn yellowish because of the interaction of the virus with the host plant, and the yellowing starts from tip to lower region of the leaf. And host is rice and plant shows stunted growth. Stunted growth means plants remain short, that do not grow properly, and that bears empty grain. These are the symptoms. Another very important disease of virus which is of major importance, that is banana bunchy top disease. It is very important and it is of major importance because it causes heavy economic losses of the crop. And banana is the host plant. In this case, the stunted growth of the banana plant takes place. Leaves develop into a dense rosette-like structure at the apex. Marginal chlorosis of leaf curling. Marginal chlorosis is very common and leaf curling is also very common. And this disease is caused by a pathogenic virus which is known as banana virus 1. Another disease which is caused by viruses which is of major importance, it is sugarcane mosaic disease. Sugarcane mosaic makes pale patches on the leaf, and because of the pale color of the leaf, there is no that reduces the photosynthetic rate of the leaf. Okay, this is also one of the major disease of major importance. Another disease which is of major importance which is caused by viral pathogen, that is bendy yellow vein mosaic. In this case, the vein clearing followed by chlorosis. The veins of the leaf, they becomes distinct and the interveinal region becomes yellowish, that is chlorosis. That means that the pathogenic virus that disturbs the normal functioning of the chlorophyll of the leaf. And such plant reduced that remains stunted, that remains short, that do not produce more fruits. Hence it is one of the disease of major importance. Another disease which is caused by viral pathogen which is of major importance, that is apple mosaic disease. In this case, the yellow colored patches occur on the leaf, and the yellow colored patches gradually dry up and the patches of dry tissue occurs on the leaf that affects directly to the photosynthetic process, and hence it is of a major importance disease. It causes heavy losses. Next, another type of the photograph here given in this slide, it is the mosaic disease of cucurbits. Next slide, another important disease which is caused by the viral pathogen which is of major importance, it is potato leaf roll. The characteristic rolling of leaves which become leathery, and this leaf roll disease of potato, it is caused by potato virus 1. It is also known as solanum virus, or it is also known as leaf roll virus. Okay. Next disease, that is papaya leaf curl. In this case, curling of the leaf or folding of the leaves of papaya takes place, and this disease is caused by a virus which is known as tobacco virus 16 or Nicotiana virus 1. It is the name of the virus which causes papaya leaf curl disease. Next disease which is of major importance, that is tomato leaf curl. In this case, the infected plant remains short or stunted, dropping and curling of leaves. The infected leaves fell off or hang down and curl down, and this disease is also caused by tobacco virus 16 or Nicotiana virus 0. Okay. Next disease, that is tomato bunchy top. Potato rugose mosaic. Another disease is potato rugose mosaic disease. In this case, the infected plants remain short, the leaves becomes yellowish and rugose, rough and hairy. Two viruses are responsible to cause this potato rugose mosaic disease. They are potato virus X and potato virus Y. Jointly, these two viruses causes the disease which is known as potato rugose mosaic virus. Okay. Next, another disease which is of major importance, it is a viral disease. It is called as cucurbit mosaic disease. In this case, mottling of leaves with dark green and light green patches on the leaves are the common symptoms. The yellow-green patches even occur on the fruits. That is because of the mosaic virus, viral disease. It also reduces the value of the cucurbita in the market. It is one of the type of economic loss of the farmers. Okay. Another disease which is of a major importance, that is tomato bunchy top disease. In this case, the infected plant remains short, that produces many branches and that do not produce flowers and fruit. Such plant remains stunted and remains sterile or produces very few fruits, and it is of viral disease, and it is of major importance because it causes heavy losses. It is responsible to cause heavy losses. Another disease which is of major importance, that is tulip mosaic disease. Tulip mosaic also very common disease. In this case, the flower petals are affected. Next disease, no, not next disease. The photograph it is given in this slide. It is the mosaic of Bhendi. Bhendi, or it is also known as, it is a vegetable crop, and in Marathi it is called Bhendi, and in English it is called lady's finger. Okay. Thank you very much. This is all about major viral diseases of plants. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.